friends, hope everyone is doing fine. So welcome to another episode of healthy and tasty food. So today I am going to cook some starters. Yes, starters, or you can have it as snacks as well depending on your mood. So today what I am going to make is kebab made out of black Bengal gram, which in common language it is called as kale chane. So we are going to make kebab of kale chane. How? I will show you. For this we need, first of all, we need a lot of ingredients. The list is, we need some black Bengal gram, which is also known as kale chane in common language, which is easily available in our kitchen. Chopped onions, finely chopped, I would like to precisely say. Some garlic paste. We need coriander powder, garam masala powder, chaat masala, coriander which is finely chopped, and some paneer. So what we will do, first we have to, beforehand we have to soak this kale chane 4 to 5 hours, and once it is fully soaked, you grind it in a mixer, and if you want it to be a bit spicy, you can add one green chili, which will give you a nice taste. So what we will do, we will first grind this black chana. So here we have grinded the black chana, and this is how it looks like. So now we are going to mix it, all the ingredients. So we need a big bowl for it so that it gets mixed properly. So I am going to first pour all the kale chane in this, and now I am putting finely chopped onion, coriander leaves which is finely chopped, garlic paste. Kebab, it has to have garlic paste in it. Some chaat masala, a pinch of black pepper. You can avoid if you want, but it is recommended. And coriander powder. And garam masala powder. And salt as per your taste. Apart from all these ingredients, you must have noticed I used some paneer as well. So what this paneer will do, if we make the kebabs without the paneer, I won't say it would taste bad, but this paneer will add moisture. So your kebabs will become very moist. This paneer plays an important role here. So this is now, I am going to mix everything and we are going to make kebabs. So once we have mixed all the material, we are going to make small balls and then press it in between to give it a shape of a kebab. So once the tawa is heated, we'll put some olive oil in it and spread it across. We'll wait for the oil to heat it properly so that our kebabs are cooked nicely, and moreover it doesn't break while turning it. So we'll wait for a while and then place our kebabs on the tawa. You can also grill it if you want in an oven. Once the tawa is heated, we have placed our kebabs on it so that it cooks. If you want, you can cover it also for a few minutes so that it is cooked properly and get moist as well. So once it is cooked from one side, we are going to put it on the other side. Just brush it with little oil so that the kebabs doesn't get dry. You can also use desi ghee, which will give a nice aroma to our kebabs, and cover it again with a lid for a few minutes. Let it cook properly from the other side as well. So see, now our kebab is cooked from both the sides. We are just going to brush a little of olive oil or ghee as per your choice. And now this is ready to be served and eaten right away. So this is our kebab made out of black Bengal gram, or in common language kale chane. This is a very good starter and a very healthy evening snacks. Generally most of the time evening when we want to munch something, we think what to eat, and then we go out or at home we fill our body or our tummy with all kinds of junk foods. So friends, avoid having junk foods and have some healthy snacks. So please enjoy.